Dictionary skills, Thesaurus. Hi there. In part 1 of this video series, it was explained what a dictionary is, what types of part of speech exist, and what type of information can be found in dictionaries in terms of part of speech and other relevant terms. In this part 2 of this video series, you will learn what a thesaurus is and where to find it, how to use it, what a collocation dictionary is, and how to use that. By the end of this video, you will have learned how to use a thesaurus. A thesaurus is a dictionary in which words with similar meanings are arranged in groups. Note that many online dictionaries have an integrated one like this one. So below the definition you can see that synonyms of reference books are listed. Some may be relevant, whereas others may not. In this case, using a reference book itself as a synonym for a thesaurus would be possible. If we'd look up the word good in a Cambridge Online Dictionary, we would find a meaning of an A1 level of Sefer. The built-in thesaurus here generates the following output, which you can see on the left-hand side. You will see 8 idioms having been listed related to the word good. We see stronger words like better and best, better being the comparative and best the superlative. And then well used in a sentence like, I'm doing well, thanks. Note that using good here would be considered slang. Alright, so we've taken a look at an integrated thesaurus entry. Now let's have a look at a separate one, so thesaurus.com. So here we're looking at a search query for the word good, and specifically we're looking at synonyms. So there we see the shade yellow, or the color yellow I should say, and then we see the darker the yellow, the more relevant the word is as a synonym for the word good, whereas if we look at the lighter yellow shades, we see that that is least relevant to what we're looking for. Alright, so imagine that you're in the position where you're looking at a word and you're looking for a synonym for that specific word. What I would recommend is that you either look it up in Merriam-Webster, Cambridge Online Dictionary, Oxford Online Dictionary, and you look up the word good, see what type of information that search generates, and then specifically cross-reference that to thesaurus.com, look at the type of shade that you're looking at, and then take it from there. Alright, so what thesaurus.com made really great was that it used to show antonyms for search queries. However, that option was recently removed from the website, so I'm going to leave it at that. Alright, so my solution to this problem that I've just mentioned is to just use a good quality dictionary, like for example, Merriam-Webster. So here you see synonyms and antonyms of the word good, entries 1 through 3, so there's quite a lot to look up. And there you see synonyms for good, words related to the word, near antonyms, and antonyms. So just take this to your advantage. In our next video, we're going to look at collocation dictionaries. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe to my channel.